Hello, all. Happy Friday. Another one done. Next time we see each other, it will be June. All right, so, what are we looking at today in our regional conflicts unit? An event known as the Cambodian Genocide. All right, so, a couple housekeeping things. Remember, readers and light works are still being accepted. Schoolology will be open today for redos for mini units 12, 13, and 14. And on Tuesday, June 2nd, we'll have our next class discussion. All right, this is another individual assignment, so make sure we do our own work. All right, so what are we looking at today? So the full name of the assignment is the Cambodian Genocide and the International Community Reaction. So to get us started, we have two quotes from this group known as the Khmer Rouge from Cambodia, which is in Southeast Asia. So the first quote reads, "To keep you is no gain, to lose you is no loss." The next quote is, "It is better to arrest 10 people by mistake than to let one guilty person go free." So we're going to use this quote for question one, this quote over here for question two, and both quotes to help you with questions 3 and 4. To help with the readings that we're having later, we have some vocab. We'll read the term, let you read the definition. So the term is Khmer Rouge, perpetrated, agrarian, utopia, non-aligned, Nordum Sihanouk, Pol Pot, urban, Lon Nol, Phnom Penh, new people, collectivization, the killing fields, Tuol Sleng, incursions, tribunal, and the extraordinary chambers in the courts of Cambodia. All right, so you'll click on this link, watch it. It's about a 3-minute video, answer these questions. Click on this link to fill out the timeline. So I'm going to put the date of the event, a description of it, and how did the event lead to a genocide. Note is that when you click on this link, you make use of this section, Origins of the Khmer Rouge, and also, which is these couple paragraphs, and then also going on to the next section, War closes in on Cambodia, and just to help out, the war that it's talking about is the Vietnam War, the United States with the United States. All right, on to the next section here. You'll click on this link. It'll bring you to another section of the Holocaust Museum. This is like an overview of it, but you're going to look for any time the UN's Universal Declaration was violated during the genocide. So these things end up being true. You just put an X in the box. All right, and then our last section was dealing with international intervention. And to answer these questions, this link will bring you to another section, the international response to the Khmer Rouge rule. Let me use just this page here to answer these two questions. Hope all is well and enjoy the weekend. Take care.